Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie with Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. I hope your weather is as beautiful as it is here today in Georgia. And today I'm making Calvin a gluten-free, fast and easy banana pudding. So let me get started on this real easy recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my milk in. And then also vanilla, sugar-free, instant pudding and pie filling. Okay, so I got that stirred in really good. I'm getting this stirred in really good. Okay. And then I'm going to pour in the rest of it, most of it, and then pour in my second box. And this right here is vanilla, sugar-free, instant pudding and pie filling. And the recipe will be in the description below. And I put in 4 cups of lactose-free milk. Yes, and I'm using as much sugar-free product as I can. And I make my banana puddings different ways, but this is especially for Calvin. And I am making a small one this time. And you just beat this until it gets a little thick. Okay, that's good and thickened now. So I like to put just a little bit on the pan itself so my vanilla wafers won't move around. So I'm going to just put a little bit like this. You can make this in a truffle dish or individually, but this is what I'm using today. Okay, I'll put my vanilla wafers down. And also, my vanilla wafers are gluten-free, and we got them from Walmart. They are a small pack though, so you have to be careful. Okay, so now then I'm going to slice my bananas up. I think I'm going to turn this around. I got that one just a little bit too thick right there. Okay, so now then I'm going to put some more pudding mixture in. This pudding really thickens up fast. Okay, so now then I'm going to put some more vanilla wafers in. Those black spots off. Okay. I don't know if it's just me or what, but it seems like bananas just go bad a lot quicker than they used to. Do you get that feeling, Calvin?
I've noticed that the bananas we've been buying for the last 2 or 3 months are just not pretty like they used to be. They must be getting them from a different location because they're just not pretty.
Yeah. This is a real easy dessert that you can make at night for your family if they're gluten intolerant and also if they're lactose intolerant. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my 0 sugar Cool Whip. And I am making this fast and easy. If you want to make your own Cool Whip, you can. Okay. I think I'm going to get something else to smooth that with. Okay, so I got that all smoothed out now. So I'm going to crumble up some of these vanilla wafers. Okay, so now I've got these all crumbled up, so I'm going to sprinkle them over top. Okay, and so if you're making this, you have a fast and easy gluten-free banana pudding, and it's fast and easy, and it's a really quick dessert that you can throw together. If you like it warm, you can just serve it just like it is, or if you like it cold, you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and that's what we're going to do. And so we're going to eat this tonight with our dinner meal. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this banana pudding in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then I'll be back to do a taste test. All right, we're back, and the banana pudding has been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, so I'm going to do the taste test. And lots of times I put toothpicks on my desserts to keep my cling wrap from sticking. And so I don't know if y'all knew that trick or not, but I've been doing that for years, so I'm sure y'all probably all know it too. So I'm going to dip me and Kevin some out. I'm going to take these out right quick. And this right here is a gluten-free banana pudding with very little sugar in it. So I'm ready to do the taste test. Okay, so now I'm going to do the part I always like the best. That sure is a big bite on my spoon. That is really good. I think you're going to like this, Kevin. Would you like to come over here and do a taste test?
I think I do, Marie. I could tell by that first bite you really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, yeah. It looks great. And I like the fact that you said it was had low sugar. Plus it's gluten-free both, right? See, that's one of them big cookies. Let me try this cookie and see how good it is. Okay, the gluten-free vanilla wafers, they're not quite as soft as a regular vanilla wafer, but I can't complain. This is good. Very good.
Yeah.
Now, Maria, I'll sit here and I eat this whole bowl.
The longer it sets, it'll soften up more also. Okay, so I guess we're going to close this video out.
2 thumbs up, Marie. That's real good. I like that.
Okay, we're going to close our video out now. We hope y'all have a great day today. And so do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, and love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern country living, where love and life collide. Do what you love and love what you do. That's the way